Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum class 9. Today we will learn unit 13 sides and angles of a triangle, and we will going to solve the review exercise 13. Students, before starting review exercise 13, we are going to discuss some important things. First of all, the sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. स्टूडेंट्स, कोई भी आपके पास एक ट्राइंगल है, लेट्स सपोज ट्राइंगल एबीसी है, इसकी टू साइड्स की लेंथ का सम हमेशा थर्ड साइड से क्या होगा, ग्रेटर होगा. लाइक measure AB plus measure AC is always greater than measure BC, and measure AB plus measure BC is always greater than measure AC, and measure BC plus measure CA is always greater than measure AB. Now students, the difference of measure of two sides of a triangle is less than the measure of the third side. Like अगर two sides का आप difference लेंगे तो it is always less than the length of the third side. Like measure AC minus measure AB is less than measure BC, and measure BC minus measure AB will be less than measure AC, and measure BC minus measure AC will be less than measure AB. Now students, from a point outside a line, the perpendicular is the shortest distance from the point to the line. Like कोई भी point C है आपके पास और आपके पास एक line AB है. Point C से line AB का जो shortest distance होगा वो इसके ऊपर क्या होगा, perpendicular होगा. Like CD is perpendicular on AB, so the measure CD will be less than the measure CE because C is not the perpendicular on AB. So the shortest distance from a point outside a line, the perpendicular is the shortest distance from the line. Now students, we are going to solve the review exercise 13. Here is the question number 1. Which of the following are true and which are false? Here is the statement number 1. The angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Students, it is a true statement because the angle opposite to the longer side is always greater. Now students, statement number 2. In a right angle triangle, greater angle is of 60 degree. Students, we know that in a right angle triangle, the greatest angle is of 90 degree. So it is a false statement. Now students, third statement, in an isosceles right angle triangle, angles other than the right angle are each of 45 degree. Students, here we are talking about the isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, it means that उसका एक angle तो आपके पास 90 डिग्री का होगा, और isosceles है इसका मतलब उसके जो two angles होंगे वो क्या होंगे, same in measure. So it will be 45 degree. It is your true statement. Now students, statement number 4. A triangle having two congruent sides is called equilateral triangle. Students, it is a false statement because a triangle having two congruent sides is always isosceles triangle. Now students, the fifth statement, a perpendicular from a point to a line is the shortest distance. It is already discussed. It is a true statement. Sixth statement students, perpendicular to the line from an angle is of 90 degree. Students, जो perpendicular होता है वो कौन सा angle बनाता है, 90 degree का. So it is a true statement. Now students, statement number 7, a point outside the line is collinear. Students, the point lying on the same line are known as the collinear points. So the point that is lying outside the line, so it is non-collinear point. It is your false statement. Now students, statement number 8, sum of two sides of triangle is greater than the third. It is a true statement. Ninth statement, the distance between a line and a point on it is 0. It is a true statement. Now students, statement number 10, triangle can be formed of length 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. Students, आपके पास लेंथ गिवन है 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm, and we know that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So the sum of 2 cm and 3 cm is 5 cm. It means that इनका जो sum है वो third side के equal है. So these are not making the triangle. So it is a false statement. Now student, question number 2, what will be the angle of shortest distance from an outside point to the line? Students, ऑलरेडी डिस्कस है कि शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस जो लाइन से होता है, अगर कोई पॉइंट आउटसाइड है, उस पॉइंट से उस लाइन तक का जो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस होता है वो उसके ऊपर क्या होता है, परपेंडिकुलर होता है. सो अगर परपेंडिकुलर है तो उसका एंगल कौन सा होगा, 90 डिग्री का. इट इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. If 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter are the lengths of a triangle, then verify the difference of measure of any two sides of a triangle is less than the measure of the third side. Like, let कर लेते हैं. AB इक्वल है आपके पास 5 सेंटीमीटर के, BC इक्वल है आपके पास 12 सेंटीमीटर के और CA इक्वल है आपके पास 13 सेंटीमीटर के. नाउ हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि इस ट्राइंगल की लेंथ में से ट्राइंगल भी बना लेते हैं, AB, BC एंड CA. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि इनका जो डिफरेंस है, टू साइड्स का जो डिफरेंस है, लेस देन द थर्ड साइड. सो फर्स्ट डिफरेंस लेंगे, मेजर BC माइनस मेजर AB. आपके पास BC क्या था 12 और AB क्या था 5. इट इज इक्वल टू 7. सो 7 इज लेस देन CA. लाइक इन टू साइड्स का जो डिफरेंस है वो थर्ड साइड से क्या स्मॉल है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, measure CA minus measure BC, that is equal to 13 minus 12. It will be equal to 1. 1 is less than measure AB. Like in two sides का जो difference है वो third side से क्या small है. Now students, similarly measure CA minus measure AB. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, which is less than the third side, that is BC. Hence prove the difference of measure of any two sides of a triangle is less than the measure of the third side. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 4. If 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are the lengths of the triangle, then verify the sum of measure of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Students, in question number 3 हमने ये prove किया था, the difference of measure of two sides is always less than the third side. Now in question number 4 we are going to prove the sum of two sides of the triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें भी लेट कर लेंगे. लेट मेजर AB इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर, BC इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड CA इज इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर. एंड हियर इज द फिगर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मेजर BC प्लस मेजर AB. BC आपके पास गिवन है, दैट इज 6 और AB गिवन है, दैट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. It will be equal to 16 centimeter. And students, 16 is greater than the measure CA, that is 8 centimeter. Like the sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Now students, similarly measure CA plus BC will be equal to 8 plus 6 और वो आपके पास है 14 and 14 is greater than measure AB. Like इन two sides का जो sum है वो third side से क्या greater है. Now students, third measure CA plus measure AB, like 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. 18 is greater than measure BC, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So the sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Hence prove the sum of measure of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the measure of the third side. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 5. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter are not the lengths of the triangle. Give the reason. Students, we know that the sum or the sum of two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side, and the difference of two sides of the triangle is always less than the third side. So proof करेंगे इसको हम. Let AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter and CA is equal to 7 centimeter. Students, AB plus BC, like 3 plus 4 will be equal to 7. अब आपके पास इन दोनों साइड्स को सम करने से क्या है 7, which is equal to the third side. Like वो किसके इक्वल है, CA के इक्वल है. So the sum of lengths of two sides of the triangle is equal to the third side. Hence these are not the lengths of the triangle. Now students, solve the question number 6 by yourself. Take care and Allah Hafiz.